Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Backup all data and a recovery image before any changes or power loss. Gather a Windows 10 ISO, a valid license key, and an 8 GB USB drive. Confirm your Chromebook has at least 64 GB available storage and supported Intel or AMD CPU. Note firmware restrictions on many models and verify model-specific guides. Keep your charger connected and allow 2 hours for setup. Understand that this process can void warranty and may brick the device. Use Rufus on a Windows PC to create a bootable Windows 10 USB with GPT or MBR as needed. Enable developer mode on the Chromebook to access deeper settings and shell. If the device has a firmware write protect screw, remove it carefully following model instructions. Disable firmware lock or flash a compatible custom firmware, such as Mr. Chromebox when required. Reboot and enter the boot menu to confirm USB recognition before proceeding to boot the Chromebook from the Windows 10 USB and choose Custom Install to partition the disk. Format the target partition as NTFS and proceed through the standard Windows setup screens. Complete initial Windows configuration and create a local administrator account for driver installs. Install chipset, GPU, Wi-Fi, audio, and a compatible touchpad driver from hardware vendors or community builds. Activate Windows with your product key and run Windows Update to fetch additional drivers. Restore backed up files and keep the original Chrome OS recovery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.